This is another one of those items where I actually got it just to promote it, but I now end up using it all the time. I would never wash a car without using one of these now, because why would you? It keeps you dry, it makes it so much quicker as well, and the worst part about washing a car really is freezing cold, wet hands. And for anyone worried about scratching, this thing is just a microfiber mitt on a pole. The only way this is scratching your car is if you do something silly with it, just like with any sponge or mitt, like if you put it on the stone. I'm sure they're still on a mental discount as well in that yellow basket in the corner.